Hey, thanks for tuning in. In this video I would like to show you how to convert an image sequence, PNG or EXR sequence, to an mp4 video. You can use that video for daily workflows together with your supervisor. So in this video we'll use Anchorpoint, which is a collaborative file browser. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is download the application. Go to anchorpoint.app and then click on download, choose your version and then download, install it and create an account. So when you open up Anchorpoint, go to the tab section, click on the plus to create a new tab, and then use it like a normal file browser. Simply browse to the location where your image sequences is created. I already have this in this folder here, which is a part of my renderings. And here are all my EXR files which belong to a single sequence. To get a better overview of everything, I simply use the enable image sequence stacking function, which will then stack things together, especially if you have multiple image sequences in one folder, that tie these things up pretty nicely. So you can also unfold and fold the sequence again. In the next step, we simply do the conversion process, and this is by doing a right click and then choosing convert to mp4. If this option does not show up in your context menu, simply go to the workspace settings, click on actions, scroll down, and then make sure that video conversion is enabled. That's the module what you need to convert everything to an mp4. So let me close the workspace settings and wait until the video encoding is done. So once the conversion is finished, it will create an mp4 next to your EXR sequence. You can simply hover over it and it will play it back. To get a bigger preview, simply go to the versions and review section by clicking on this arrow here. And then you have a full-featured player on that. You can use this player also to add annotations, for example, which you can then use in a daily review workflow. So if you want to change the settings, you can simply go on the menu, convert to video and click on the gear icon. And here you can adjust things like the frame rate and the location. Per default, it will place the files in the same folder, but you can also use a custom folder, for example, for your dailies if you have a certain workflow which requires a certain daily folder. So this technique works for EXR and PNG sequences, but you can also use that to convert raw videos or videos which are, for example, in the ProRes format to a quick mp4 which you can use for a daily review. I hope this video was helpful for you. Watch out for more workflow tips coming in this channel. Thank you for watching.